Hi guys, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to calculate a small table from a big table, like how to extract a table from big table using group by, okay, and calculate the number of sales in a particular weekend. Okay, for example, I have a table here and the location, date, day, and sales. So we have to take the each end of the week date. So first week end of the week date is January 7th. So for January 7th, each location, what are the sum of the sales we have to display. Again, second weekend, that is 14th January, we have to take and calculate the number of sales. Okay, sum of the sales in the second weekend. Okay, first weekend and second weekend. Okay, each end of the week we have to summarize the sales and we have to display the sum of the sales here. So from this table to this table. Okay, guys. So let's see how to do in Power BI using the DAX. Okay. So I loaded here the table. Okay, then first I will calculate the end of the week date. Okay, first I will calculate the end of the week date using the calculated column. Okay, so I have readily available code here. Okay, so this will calculate end of the week date. Okay, let's see that. So end of the week date. Okay, so Sunday. So week starts from Sunday, right? So end of the week is Saturday. So 7th January we'll get. And week starts from Sunday 8th and end of the week is 14th. Okay, so 14th we'll get. Okay. After calculating the end of the week, now we'll use the summarize in DAX to calculate the group, to use the group by and calculate the sum of the sales. So for example, in Power Query, you know, right? So we'll use the group by and we'll group by the columns and calculate the sum of the sales. In the similarly in Power BI DAX, we have a summarize function which will return the table. There we can use the group by, okay, and use the sum of the sales. Then based on this end of the week, we'll group by location and end of the week. Then we'll calculate the sum of the sales. Okay, using the summarize function. Okay, let's take the new table. Then use summarize. Okay, so table is our data, right? Data table. Okay, then group by location, and next thing is group by location and end of the week. Okay, right? And what is the name of the new column? I will put it as a sales by week. Okay, and what you want is sum of the sales. Okay, okay guys, so this will give me a table, okay, and which will calculate the sum of the sales in the at the end of the each week for each location at the end of the week, what are the sum of the sales it will return. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such DAX amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.